Hey guys, welcome back. Today, if we got enough time, I'm starting a little late today. We're going to try to take this post here loose and all this here loose and out of here and clean this section up, and then try to set a pole here if we have enough time. We'll see how far we get. So we'll start here with moving this. Move this wheelbarrow out of the way.
That was easy.
Yeah. This one's pretty far gone. Come here and look at this side.
Oh yeah, it's rotten on the opposite side.
That's a good post there, wouldn't you say?
Yeah. Well, it was good for a long time. It's been here for a while.
Move this old chicken feeder here. Let's see how. Okay.
Is it still workable?
We won't know until we get it out and we look at the bottom here. But I've got to get that nail out of her.
Yeah, it's antique. But they don't make them like that anymore.
Gotta wait. There we go. Okay, let's take a look at her and let's see if she's salvageable. What do you say?
Okay. Probably can get all the dirt out.
Looks like Dad's already fixed it once. Put a false bottom in it there.
Oh, and then that lifts up and the feed comes out?
Yeah, shoots through here and then lays out there. I don't know. It looks pretty rough to me.
I think you could fix it.
You see how rotten that is there? It just crumbles.
Well, you could put wood in its place.
No. Well, we'll put it to the side. I've got all that free time, you know.
Yeah. And you mean in between work and home?
I was being sarcastic.
You want to take the line loose?
I was going to try to take this board loose, but what do you want me to do?
Yeah, go ahead. You took that down real easy. I thought it was wrapped around there.
I'm probably going to have to. Well, I thought that I could get in here and do that. But I believe when I drop that, this will collapse. I don't know. Let's see.
See what happens?
Yep. Look, there's a bird's nest. Oh, there's one too.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look. Hey, over here. Action's over here.
Okay.
Did that get you?
Almost.
Better pay attention then, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I believe I'm jumping in here too quick. We're going to have to clean up this stuff here first. Pretty sure. Because when I drop that, the rest of it's going to collapse. Well, we'll wait a minute on that and clean up some more of this. Why didn't I pick that up and just put that in the wheelbarrow?
Been much easier, wouldn't it? Stuck.
That was dumb.
Yeah. You just weren't thinking. Good old truck.
Need the wheelbarrow back now, don't I?
Yep.
See, this stuff never goes as planned. You know what I mean?
No. No. And anything can happen.
I wonder if I can pick that up.
Maybe. The grass might be holding it together.
Well, I've got some of it. Ooh, yum, yum. You want a drink of this?
Ew. Yeah. It's got a lot of moss in it, don't it?
That's the stuff that got poured on the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Yeah. And then they were able to start talking, right?